I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be cooking some 5-star twice baked potatoes oven style. So I'll be using the red potatoes because they are much lower in carbs, and I am using my fork to poke little holes in them because I will be adding them in my oven. Once done, I added some avocado oil, which I love to use. It's very light. Then I added a little salt and a little hint of rosemary on the outside of these potatoes because we'll be eating the skin. And of course, your girl dropped a Jamaican style one in it. Now, this took 1 hour in total to bake in the oven. However, they will be baked twice. Once done baking, your girl forgot to show you how I removed all the potatoes from inside of the skin into my bowl, where I added butter, sour cream, and some other ingredients, which I will drop in the description box. Now I will be stuffing these back and baking them in the oven with some salmon that I did, and you will see my salmon video. It will be posted soon. I did some lemon pepper salmon with the potatoes that I baked in the oven. You will see the video in the following week. I will add in the description box what I added in the potatoes used to stuff them back into the potato skin, which some of it includes milk, sour cream, butter. I used a little smoked paprika. Yes, I used a little oregano. I used a little Italian seasoning and some cayenne pepper. And I stuff all my potatoes, and I will be using cheese. What is oven baked potatoes without cheese? You can use a cheese of your choice, or if you opt not to use cheese, feel free to bake it double stuffed with whatever you like. Once I added in the creamed potato and the cheese, I did add a little dash of sour cream on top because call me extra. Yes, I did. And then there I'm adding some of my lemon pepper salmon that I did. Stay tuned for that video coming up in another few days too, or maybe in the coming week it will be posted. Let me tell you something. I did them and my family was asking me, why did you do this little bit of potatoes? Let me tell you something, guys. You need to try this. It tasted really, really good. A very interesting one with salmon. If you're new, welcome to Shell's Island Cooking, where I do 5-star cooking. I change up my cooking, although I'm Jamaican, to make my meals a little different from the regular. Stuff it with as much cheese as you like. Then I added back to the oven and I baked for another 20 minutes in the oven. Cheese melting. You will see at the end what this looks like. Let me tell you something, they were the bomb. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. It costs you nothing. To look at the bottom left of the video, you see that little finger pointing up. Give your girl a like. Look at my potatoes. Ready to go in the oven. And this is what the finished dish look like. Tell me your girl ain't the best. Thank you for stopping by today. To view this video, please remember to give your girl a like. Please remember to watch the video to the end in your spare time. Thank you for your support. These tasted really, really good. Let me tell you something. The sweet one, it was the best.